In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and join Telegram groups quickly and easily. Whether you're looking for communities around tech, business, gaming, crypto, study groups, or just people who share your interests, Telegram makes it simple once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your computer, or if you prefer, log into Telegram Web in your browser. Both methods work the same way, so choose whichever is most convenient for you. Once you're inside Telegram, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the search bar there, and this is the main tool you'll use to discover groups. Now click inside the search bar and type in keywords related to the topic you're interested in. For example, if you want a study community, you could search for study tips, exam prep, or student group. If you're looking for business discussions, you might type startup, marketing, or entrepreneurship. The more specific your search term is, the better your results will usually be. As you type, Telegram will begin showing different results. Some may be individual chats, some may be channels, and some may be groups. Take your time and look through the list carefully. When you find a group that looks relevant, click on it to preview the group first. This is important because it lets you check the group name, description, and overall purpose before joining. Inside the preview, you can see whether the group matches what you're looking for. If it looks useful and active, you'll see the Join Group button at the bottom. Click that button to enter the group and become a member. Once you've joined, you can read messages, participate in discussions, and start connecting with other members. If the first group you see isn't the right fit, don't worry. Just go back to the search bar and try a different keyword. You can also combine words to get better results, like Telegram Study Group, Crypto Discussion Group, or Local Community Group. This helps narrow down the search and makes it easier to find the exact kind of group you want. That's really all there is to it. Open Telegram, use the search bar, type your keywords, preview the group, and click Join Group when you're ready. It's a simple process, but once you know how it works, you can discover all kinds of useful Telegram communities in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.